Today I'm going to show you how to install .NET 3.5, the quickest and simplest and easiest way to install it offline. No internet needed. Okay. Alright, first you will use this application right here, Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5 offline installer. I will link it in the description below so you can find it and download it. It's a free application. First you right click the application, run as administrator. Yes. And it will come up like this. Oh, but first you have to ensure that you have the image file or the DVD or the USB device that you install Windows from mounted. Then you click on browse, select the Windows disk, sources, SXS, OK, and then voila, start installation. And depending on the speed of your computer, it may take a while, but in this case, that's it. But sometimes it normally takes longer than that, but this is basically how it works, and that's it. I will link it in the description below so you can find it and download it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.